আজ আমরা দেখব pronouns and its classification. So pronouns, the Bangla of which is সর্বনাম, pronoun বাংলা হচ্ছে সর্বনাম. Words used instead of a noun are generally known as pronouns. So নাউনের পরিবর্তে ব্যবহৃত শব্দগুলো হচ্ছে pronouns. 8 kinds of pronoun গুলো হচ্ছে personal pronoun, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, it. So demonstrative pronouns, these, that, these, those. Relative pronoun সম্পর্ক নির্ধারক, যেমন who, whom, whose, what, which, that. Then reflexive and emphatic, যেমন myself, ourselves, selves, yourself, yourselves, himself, ourselves, ourselves. Interrogative pronoun, যেমন who, whom, whose, what, which. Indefinite pronoun, some, any, few, any, one, no one, etc. Distributive pronoun is, every, either, neither, or neither. Reciprocal pronoun is other, one another. So these are fruitful or useful in learning English grammar and also increasing for increasing our vocabulary.